8 April 2019. I was feeling so demotivated, and what a creator needs is appreciation, and no one was there to praise my work. Then I was thinking to leave everything, but at the same I got an email from YouTube India that they are inviting me to attend YouTube Creator Camp. I booked my ticket to Delhi and packed my bag. So here how I ended up living my dream.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए 5050
These 2 days I spent were one of the best memories of my life. I met some amazing people and their kindness towards every creator. Follow up your desire, not just think about it.